Dress sense is what men notice first in a woman, before face and body. Women notice face, smile, and eyes first in a man. The average woman absorbs up to 5 pounds of damaged chemicals a year thanks to beauty products. Did you ever notice that women are good at tasting things? Women have more number of taste buds than men. The word woman is believed to have derived from wife man, which is a Middle English term. In Old English, the term wife was used to describe woman, while the term man was used to describe a person. Women's eyes speak a lot, and it's the doorway to her heart. Females are more emotional than males. The most common cause of disability of women is depression. 1 out of 4 women will experience severe depression at some point in their life. Women are automatically more attracted to guys who make an effort to start the conversation, showing initiative and consistency. A study proved that the average time for a woman keeping a secret is 47 hours and 14 minutes. Females seem to use both sides of their brains for problem solving, whereas men seem to use the left side of the brain for problem solving. Girl talk helps women to form closer bonds but also increases depression and anxiety. Women cheat in a much better way and have their reasons. Men just do it and can't explain it when they get caught.